Good afternoon. Thank you very much. It's Christmas time. It's Christmas in July. Hi, I'm Ron. I got Laura here.
Hello.
And we always document, like what we go through and what's going on in the Christmas season, how, at the final result, you're like how it all came together. It's well documented, in our kind of our process of what it takes to actually make it happen. This is our first podcast of the year. It is July
14th.
July 14th. Yeah, it's Taco Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. We there's a place in Richmond, Texas. We're in the Katy, Richmond areas where our main service area is, and also all of Greater Houston. But there's a taco place over in Richmond called Pablo's, and it's like every Monday or every Wednesday or every Thursday we just so happen to be going by it, and I'll say, "Damn, what is today, babe?" And she goes, "Today's Wednesday." I'm like, "Oh man, Taco Tuesday. I mean, this place got dollar tacos and the best margaritas, but we always miss it."
Yeah.
But today's Tuesday.
It's Tuesday.
Okay, so what are we talking about?
Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday. Are we going?
Yes.
No, but anyway, so when it comes to local favorites and local businesses, Kingdom Christmas Lights, that's our company. We do commercial Christmas light installation. We do residential. We actually sell materials, to other contractors. Last year we did hay rides. If you want to get the hay ride, I don't know how the coronavirus is going to, affect those. We do private party ones. So, I think more people from what we've seen during the year has been spending their time, talent, their money, on their homes and their personal spaces, fixing their fences, fixing up their houses, even buying new houses and things. It's for all the bad news that you've heard about how everything's going down. We haven't seen anything like that. We've seen people spending money on their houses. In our home improvement company, Kingdom Roof and Fence, we've been just growing big time, and we expect Christmas to be the same. So this year, Laura, don't you think it's a good idea to probably get on the schedule earlier than you normally do?
Oh, yes. And there's time to plan and color schemes and all those fun things that we get to do that we're kind of doing with our houses right now, we can do for Christmas.
Christmas. And with kids, right now, what's the story like? I think Fort Bend's not going to school.
They're starting at home, online only, and they're reevaluating after 3 weeks.
After 3 weeks. And then we're in Lamar Consolidated.
Their decision will come tomorrow.
Yeah, so we don't know what's going on. I mean, more than likely, there's a good chance you're going to have the kids there at the house, and you're going to be at the house, a whole season. With more people being, conscious of the way their house is decorating and spending more time, in their personal spaces, in their houses. I believe this is going to be the biggest Christmas light installation season. If you haven't been following politics and the news and everything, which is a great idea, let me recap you on most of these Christmas lights come from China. And there's been some kind of a trade wars and tariffs and this kind of thing. You've been seeing in the stores during the coronavirus. You don't see bicycles on the shelf. What else don't you see?
Backyard swimming pools, blow-up pools. There is not any.
So, I mean, a lot of the products that we take for granted that are in our stores, we can't find them anymore. And Christmas lights is going to be like that. Professional Christmas light installation is always a sought-after service, especially during the holiday season. But this year, I think getting onto the Christmas light installation schedule earlier is a good idea. Picking out what you want. We make signs. These really cool signs. We had a big Jesus sign that was 8 foot tall last year. Have you seen that one? For Easter, we had a big Hope sign. We also made one out of USA, carved out of wood. We poked the holes where the lights would go. We painted it. On the Jesus sign, you did the glitter paint. We put the lights through the actual, SMD LED 7 diode, the best of the best. We put them through there. We did them for some customers. I mean, they were just amazing how many people were getting out, taking pictures of the signs. And, oh, my God, like the one we did over here in Katy. My daughter's name is Hope. Oh, that's so great. You were sharing hope. And I was like, I think we were doing it because hope for the coronavirus, not because the lady's daughter's name was Hope. But, whatever. But it was awesome. So Kingdom Christmas lights, we're very excited about this year. Right now in July, I didn't say, oh my God, they're already talking about Christmas. Jesus, it's July. But no, this is the time commercial projects, HOAs, and things get together, and the board meetings come together and decide what they want to do for the season. If they want some different kind of products, it takes us this long to actually get them shipped from China. All these commercial things. So now's the time for commercial Christmas light installation. We are your local contractor. We're Kingdom Christmas Lights. Our number, you can reach us. Laura will give you that, and our website and our contact. I mean, we're the only company that's accredited with the Better Business Bureau. We're fully insured. We're like the real deal Christmas company. And Laura, who do they call? What do they do?
Well, you're going to call me at 346-291-4492, or you can go on our website, kingdomchristmaslights.com. And I'm going to do a little plug for residential.
Go ahead.
So we have had a whole lot of negativity in this world right now, and what better positivity than not only fixing up your house and all that, but decorate early for Christmas. Put your lights on your house. Get your house all jazzed up because we're home anyway, and why not enjoy it a little extra longer?
Yeah, we're just waiting for the first HOA to say, take it down. We're just ready to make a big stink, right?
Absolutely. I mean,
one of
people
our
decorate
favorite
from other
radio Hall of Famers. He's like, I want to put some Christmas lights up on my house, and I'm just waiting for someone to tell us to take them down.
We decorate for Halloween.
Alrighty.
It's coming,
Yeah, But anyway, so we'll be looking forward to hearing from you. Like I said, my name is Ron. And Laura over here is knee deep, elbow deep into these commercial projects we're doing estimates for. But we are very excited for the 2020 season. It is July. It's just now ramping off. There'll be more podcasts and more information, but this is the beginning. So Merry Christmas to everybody, and we'll be looking forward to seeing your smiling face probably October or November.
October.